guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nidhi and today we will be doing a haul video. So I have seen so many videos on YouTube, like they are doing a haul on Miniso, and it really got me very curious to go and check out Miniso. So I recently went to our city mall, which is in Ghatkopar, and yeah, I found that there is a Miniso shop over there and I really wanted to try it out. I went on Sunday, so the place was heavily crowded. And if you guys don't know, Miniso is a Chinese-Japanese brand where you will get products like really cheap, and the products will be really very cute. Like you will get some sunglasses, you will get a hat over there, you will get stuff to store, something related to kitchen also, pans and all will be there, socks will be there, then shapewears and all will be there, some tools and all will also be there, then purses are there, cosmetic stuffs are there, then perfume is also there over there, and skincare related products were also there, stationery is there, like everything was there in just a tiny mini shop, and it was heavily crowded. And yeah, let's see what all I have got. You will come to know what all I have got. I have shopped a lot, and most of this product are just rupees 150, so I'm really happy I got it like really cheap. So yeah, the first thing I got, and I really wanted to try this, it's a Miniso head massage. So over here you can see it's a head massager. It's worth rupees 150 and it's 6 clouds head massage, and this is how it can be used. So yeah, this is the first product and I'm really excited to try this product on. Just while like when I do oiling, I really need someone to massage my hair, and I have this, so yeah, really happy. Then I said that there are some section which has cooking stuff, like kitchen stuff. So this is what I was trying to tell about. Like there are some soup bowls and all, also tiffin boxes were also there. But I got is this frying pan, and this frying pan is just worth with 590, and I really liked it. I liked the color, the build, the quality is really amazing, and I went ahead and I really wanted a frying pan. So yeah, this is the second product which I got. Then I got such a cute bath ball set. There is a loofah and there is a bath ball. So let's see. So there is a bath sponge and a bath bowl. So the loofah and the bath sponge. I was wrong previously what I told. And it's worth is 150 only, guys. And they are so beautiful. The only reason which I took is because they are beautiful. They are so cute. So yeah, this is the third. Then I got is a scalp brush. I really wanted to try this on, and yeah, it's a scalp massaging brush, and it's also worth rupees 150 only. Then I got 3 packs of eyebrow sharper pack. I usually use it for removing my upper lips and some facial hairs. They are really nice and painless, and even they are worth rupees 150. So I got it like 50 rupees each, and the quality is really very nice. There was one more set which was worth rupees 230, but it had a cap over here and they were tiny, but I went ahead and took this. So this is worth rupees 150. Then I got this 2 ring bracket with ring. I was searching for this like for a very long time, but usually I used to see and they were very expensive, so I didn't bought them. But this is just rupees 150, and there are 2, 75 each, and it's a very good deal I found. So yeah, I got this. There were bottles also, and there were like some fruit infused bottle and everything, but I got this. This is so cute bottle. I am in love with this bottle, and it's just rupees 150, and I loved it. I loved it so much that I took. Then the last is this 5 set of razors, which are just rupees 150. And we need razors, like I don't need razors, and so I went ahead and took this. Then the last 2 products Then I got is this two water based nail paint. One is purple in color and the other is red in color, and I really like them. They are peel off nail paint, and I will be trying this on and will let you guys know. So yes guys, this is the end to my Miniso shopping haul video. Hope you guys liked it. Please let me know which product you like, whether you will be visiting Miniso or not, whether you think that it's worth the hype or not, whether the products are cheap or not. I found some products to be really overpriced over there, but some were really cheap, which I took. So yes guys, this is like all which I have got. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, comment to this video. Please subscribe to my channel, that means a lot. Stay tuned for more. Have a nice day. Bye.